PXK A100, ready to fly. It's got differential thrust. That means one motor spins faster than the other to turn it. It does not have ailerons, but it does have elevator. It's a pretty cool looking jet. Don't quote me on this, but it's somewhere around 300 millimeter wingspan. Not sure exactly, I'll have to check. And here's your 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. And you do have a button up top for acro. It will do a front flip, possibly back flip, I haven't tried it yet. Or excuse me, back flip, possibly front flip. But it will not do rolls because it does not have ailerons. And I believe, not positive what this is, might be your high and low rates. Or it might do absolutely nothing. I gotta show you guys, the wheel did just pop off my landing. You just gotta get some kind of rivet or push tie to keep it on. I think I found it. Let's see. Oh, I found it. There it is. See if I can fix this real quick. Sorry guys, my apologies. I'm gonna glue that on when I get back. Really cool jet though, you guys. Definitely recommend it though. I mean, I could have pulled it and landed a while back, but I mean, I say you get a good 10 minutes of run time on these batteries. It's a 3.7 volt. It comes with a 3.7 volt 300 milliamp Lipo battery. I actually put in a 3.7 volt 500 milliamp and it seems to work even better because the front, and of course I added some coloring to it and some gold and colored in the exhaust a little red in there and a couple little details. But I tell you what, it's a cool little jet. Nice to beginner if you're looking to get something different than other than a drone, anything like that. But don't forget to share, like, subscribe. God bless, take care, stay safe. See you on the next one.